Hello, hello, and welcome back into the kitchen. I am Wendy, your kitchen chaos coordinator, and tonight what's for dinner is a veggie, gnocchi, and sausage sheet pan dinner. What's better than takeout? By the time you order the takeout, pay for the takeout, and wait for the takeout to come, this could be done. So super simple and better for you and your family and your pocketbook. So you may say you're tired. This says minimal prep, and we are going to get this delicious dinner on the table within 40 minutes. Most of it is going to be because it's cooking in the oven for 20 to 25. So while you go grab your chair and you go grab your spoon, come back and talk with me because the recipe is going to be in the description. Don't worry about writing it all down. It's always in the description. Let me tell you what we need for our vegetable gnocchi and sausage sheet pan dinner. You're going to need a little bit of Parmesan cheese. We're going to sprinkle that on top. You need some Italian seasoning and some olive oil. That's just going to be to coat everything. Of course, you need some Polska kielbasa or some smoked sausage, whatever's your favorite. Hubby and I are loving the turkey flavor Polska kielbasa, so that's what I got for tonight. Some zucchini. I just got two little guys. A bell pepper, and a red onion. Now, while you're running to get that, I'm going to get all of this prepped and cut, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how quick this goes together. I'm telling you, don't worry about being tired. This one's easy, and it tastes so good. All right, be right back. All right, veggies are cut. I cut everything into 1 by 1, maybe 2 by 1 slices, including the onion, because it's going to roast in there for a little bit. And I got lovely bell pepper, and then also the Polska. You don't want the thin slices. Make them a little thicker because it is going to roast in the oven for a bit. So, a little bit bigger. Okay, so now I'm on to the gnocchi, and I just want to break it up as I'm putting it in. So we're just thought I'd come back to you while we're breaking it up. How's everybody been? Yay. So good. So tired. Yeah, and the time change. The time change really messes with you, doesn't it? The spring forward, I don't know why. It's a harsh one. That is a harsh one. So I know we're all dealing with a little bit of overwhelm and overtired. So let's get something good on the table that doesn't take up a lot of our time. Okay, we want just a little bit of Italian seasoning on this. And we want a little bit, 2 tablespoons of extra light olive oil. Get that out. Oops. Oh, you know what? This is brand new. I'm like, why isn't it pouring out? We kind of went through it. That's why. There we go. All right, now let's get the 2 tablespoons going. Just going to drizzle this over, and then we're going to toss it, and then we're going to toss it on the pan. Add our Polska. Look at this. It couldn't get any easier than this, right? All right. Let's add just a little bit of salt and pepper after we throw this down here. Even this out. Hey, let's get a little bit of onion everywhere, shall we? It's all hanging in this one corner. All right. Let's add some salt and pepper. And like I said, 10 minutes to cut these veggies and the Polska. That took us half a minute, maybe. And now we're just gonna put this Polska on top, and we'll throw it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. I don't know how much easier that can get. So simple, so easy, so easy. All right, let's place our sausage on the tray. And we're ready to go. No more tired nights. Everything you need is on this plate. You've got your veg, you've got your meat, you've got your side dish with the gnocchi. So easy, so good to go. We do not need to cover this. We're just going to put this in 425 for 20 to 25 minutes, and then we'll top it with the Parmesan when it comes out. All right, so I'm going to put this in the oven, and we'll see you on the other side. It's ready. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's nice and crispy. It smells delicious. Woohoo! So easy. This was 25 minutes in, so 15 minutes to prep, 25 minutes in the oven, and we have dinner on the table. That's quicker than you could run and get fast food. And oh my gosh, so much more delicious. All right, it's time to sprinkle with our Parmesan cheese and get it plated. So we will meet you out at the table. Ooh, it's so good. I'm gonna take this down so you can see it close up. Oh, delish. Here we go. Thank you so much for joining us today as we made a sheet pan polska kielbasa or smoked sausage of your choice with gnocchi and veggies. Oh my gosh. This is so easy, so good. I can't wait to get into this. The smell, I'm loving it. And I love everything in here. You can add your own different version of veggies into this. You can, if you don't care for zucchini, add a different kind of squash if you want. Add sweet potato if you want. Big old hunks of sausage. Hearty meal, done quick, energy level, nice and easy. Just the way we like it. Hey, thanks so much for every like and every share. Thanks so much for every subscribe. I'm so excited. We are at 264 friends at the table. And if everyone who's watching and is not a subscriber would consider subscribing, we would be at that halfway point. I cannot believe that. So I am so ready. I'm so excited. I love that you guys are joining me on this journey. We're having so much fun together. And I hope it's coming across in the videos just how much fun I'm having in the kitchen with you guys. It's so nice to cook with other people. Anyway, that like button is that thumbs up. So if you just give it a thumbs up, that lets YouTube know, decent video. Send it to other people. That's awesome. If you go to the other side, there's a bell. If you hit that bell, or right next to that bell, it'll say subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe for me. That would make my day. Let's try to get to that 300 by March. We're not that far away. Let's make it happen. Anyway, stay tuned for a Zen moment. All the birds are kind of nesting right now, so it's so sweet. I can see the sandhill crane's nest out in the lake. I'm so excited when they have their little ones. If they bring them up towards us, I won't get near them, but I'll get close enough we can have some videos. You can see babies. They're so sweet. Anyway, have fun, my friends. We'll see you next time. We're not so tired enough to eat now. Let's eat. Let's eat. Bon appetit. See you later, my friends. Bye.